Yeah, Tanya has joined. Uh, Tanya, can you see an option? Yeah, one sec. I've accepted yours, waiting for you to join my live.
Can you see me?
Yeah, I can see you. Hi, Tanya, how are you?
I'm good. How are you?
I'm doing good. Your video is breaking.
Is that so? I think this is the best place that I can sit where the internet comes. Is it okay
Okay,
now?
yeah, yeah, now it's clear. One thing. So, yeah, before we get a lot of Taylor birds you have.
Yeah. I'm sitting in my garden.
Okay, so before we get started, please introduce us about yourself apart from butterflies. What do you do? What's your profession? Yeah.
Okay, about myself, I am presently residing in Punjab. I shifted here 2 years ago, but basically I am from Jharkhand, the capital of Jharkhand, Ranchi. So my education, all of it happened from Jharkhand only. So I am a graduate. I have done my functional English honors from St. Xavier's College, Ranchi. Okay. And then I got married and I shifted here. And this butterfly thing happened to me when I came here. Initially, I was a birder. I was interested in butterflies. Sorry, I was interested in birds. Reason being maybe my father because he is a forest officer. So from the very beginning, he would take me for the bird watching thing. He's a bird watcher, so he'd take me for the bird watching thing. And I had grown listening to the stories of man elephant conflicts and rescuing animals and something like this. So I was a nature enthusiast from the very beginning. So my interest in something like this was not unusual. um yeah.
But why butterflies?
Why butterflies? Okay. Mm, they are fascinating insects, I would say. Actually, they are fascinating insects, I would say. I saw Common Map for the very first time. I liked it very much. So because of that, maybe it interested me a lot. And I don't have a particular reason for it. I just initially I loved birds, and now I love butterflies. Is all that I can say about it.
Okay. Do you remember the first butterfly you sighted?
I,
Tanya, we are losing you. Tanya, we are losing you. I'm unable to hear you.
can you see me?
Uh,
I
yeah.
can
Can
see
you
you.
hear me now?
I can hear you. I can see you also. Yeah. For me, it is audible.
Okay. Yeah. Yeah. Tell me.
Okay, I was telling about my first experience of the butterfly. I saw a common map for the very first time. It was on a watery surface here only on the pavement tiles of my garden, and I was mesmerized when I saw it for the very first time. And then, it came to my mind that I had never seen butterflies scenes. I do not recall any name of a butterfly. I was into birding, but it is unusual for me being from such a background. It. So it felt like and when I observed, I found that there were 13 to 14 regular visitors to my garden that I wasn't aware of. So I just started listing it, and then the journey continued. I just started taking interest in butterflies, reading about them on the internet, and contacting more and more butterfliers. And I was not even aware of this word butterfly. You know what? Mud puddling. These are the new words that I'm getting to know. This is insane, I feel. Being from such a background, you don't even know about matlab, this field.
Yeah. Okay. So tell me about your inspirations in the field of butterfly.
Inspiration in the field of butterfly. What kind of inspiration are you talking about?
uh,
Matlab,
any kind of inspiration. There'll be some inspiration for you whose work you must have seen and then started butterflying like that. Yeah.
no, and
Do you
not
have
any
any?
work I have seen. I
Okay.
haven't seen any work. I have seen activities. I can tell you because I often sit in my garden and observe things. I love observing things, people watching, observing the nature, anything of that sort. So I saw once when I just watered my banana plant, I saw that there were so many butterflies gathering at that particular place or a particular point of the place, wherein when I clicked it and I uploaded the photo, I got to know that it is called mud puddling, and these are small things that interested me into this field. Uh, I am complete novice. I'm a beginner. I seriously don't understand what else the thing will come up. Everything about the butterflies is exciting me like anything.
Yeah.
So maybe, and there is a butterfly that looks like leaf also, isn't it? Isn't it
Yeah.
amazing?
Yeah.
So
Okay.
yeah, oak leaf. I photographed the upper side of the oak leaf. I failed to photograph the underside of it. I am waiting for it to come again in my garden. So
Okay. So tell me about your work in this field of butterflying. You have done butterfly work in Punjab, you have done in Jharkhand. So tell me more about your work.
Uh, I I have done in Jharkhand and I have done in Punjab. My husband always he goes for on visits like official tours. He goes on them, so I go along with him. So Pathankot, Jalandhar, Amritsar, Chandigarh. I have visited the Chandigarh Butterfly Park also, and I have also visited Banarghatta Butterfly Park there also. And I have also been to Ahmednagar. There also I tried butterflying. So these are the areas wherein I worked. And basically, I stay in a cantonment area. I'm a wife of army officer, so I stay in a cantonment area. This is a well protected forested area. There are a lot of birds, animals, butterflies, insects of different kind. So there is so much to explore in this place. So I felt like exploring it, documenting it. If in case I get more of them, if my work accounts to something, I would document it also. So yes, these are the field of work that I have done up till now.
Okay. What needs to be done? What needs to be done to make this field more accessible for women?
Is needed when it comes to butterflying. I feel women have that knack. They are also tender in their activities. They are into cooking more than men. They love developing kitchen gardens, terrace gardens. They love flowers. So they can. What I was thinking, if you are developing kitchen garden, your kitchen garden is already a butterfly garden, isn't it? There are all kinds of weeds, plants there in your kitchen garden.
Tanya, we are losing you. Tanya, I'm unable to hear you.
Am I audible now?
No, your voice is breaking badly.
Um, what should I do? Should I change my place? I'll shift here. Maybe this works. I don't. This is the best place wherein the net comes, and that's why I'm
Yeah,
sitting outside
yeah.
in the garden.
Now I can hear you. So what are you telling? I was asking what needs to be done to make this feel more accessible for women.
I was talking about the kitchen garden. I felt that there are
Okay.
already a number of plants that women plant in their kitchen garden. There should be some
Yeah.
awareness in them so that they can understand that it is already attracting many insects, birds, and and butterflies. You know, I also have developed a kitchen garden here. When I were in that time, I was not very much into butterflying. So I found there were a lot of birds that came to my garden. Even the blue bulls came to my garden. They would destroy my garden like anything. The wild boars, they used to come to my garden. So they're like it attracts a lot of wildlife. If there is awareness among the women to, you know, that their kitchen garden is already a butterfly garden, this will work a lot. And women like mothers, they are into nurturing their children. So if they are butterflyers, nature enthusiasts, their children will definitely be nature enthusiasts or a better butterflyer, isn't it? That will work.
Yeah. Okay. Just because you spoke about children, do you have any tips for bringing in more children to like and study butterflies?
Of course, I
What can
have.
be done?
You know what? Yes, of course, I have one, because when I was into birding, as I told you, I was into birding, but when it came to butterflying, I was shocked. I was not able to name a single butterfly. I only knew that this is orange butterfly and this is yellow butterfly. Imagine, this is the awareness that we have. A child is not aware of, you know, any butterfly. You cannot name any, but this was with me. So I felt that there should be maybe a chapter, a subject, some project work. A school should have a butterfly garden. They can easily do that. They have such a big campus. You know, they can have a butterfly garden. They can demonstrate and make the children aware. They not everyone can be a nature enthusiast, but there are a lot of children who are nature enthusiasts and they don't know it. They have interest in nature and they don't know it, you know. So that will be
Yeah.
accessible more to them. And one more thing I would like to say, that when I picked up this activity, I am from arts background. So whenever I tell anyone that butterflies interest me a lot, the first question they would ask is that, uh, how can this be possible? You are not a biologist. You are not from science background. How can you get into it? So people are not aware of it. They feel that only biologists, someone from science background can pick this up. You know, this is the
Yeah.
awareness among the people. They won't understand your activity. So
Yeah.
there should be more awareness among people so that they can pick it up. These kind of activities become general. Anyone can take this up, isn't it?
Yeah. True. The next question I wanted to ask you is, do you have a butterflying partner? If so, who is your favorite butterflying partner? Whenever you go
And
for
you know,
butterfly walks.
here, at this point of time, here I am alone, all alone. I don't have any partner, no partner. But when I go to my native place, there's my father who will come along with me. He'll do bird watching. I'll do butterfly watching. He'll be engaged with me for the butterfly watching also. And also my sister, although she is into medical field, but even then she'll come along with me, and you know, we'll just have fun together watching butterflies. But here no one is there. I am all alone watching butterflies in this cantonment area.
Okay. What next step you would plan to take on contributing to the butterfly society, or what next improvement you would like to take on yourself for this, for butterfly in butterfly watching?
No, next step, you know what? I'm a novice. I have only identified 65 species of butterflies. I was watching this video, the session that you started from the beginning, and I felt that they have watched 200 butterflies, 300 butterflies. I'm so novice. I'm such a beginner. I have just identified 65 butterflies. I'm taking together the Jharkhand and Punjab. I haven't identified which one is from Jharkhand, which one is from Punjabi. I just have uploaded the photos. I can make out that this is from Jharkhand, this is from Punjab. I have a lot to learn. So definitely I'll learn firstly and then I'll plan over something else. I want to see more
So,
of it, you know.
yeah, so you needn't think that it's too late to learn anything. You can learn whenever you want, and you know there are a lot of people out there to help you in learning, and also you can also start documenting it around your background, around your backyard, and you can learn a lot. You can start doing life skills, etc. So there's a lot of things you can learn. So you didn't have to worry because you have less number of butterflies. So it's actually a good start even now.
Thank you.
I think I have come to the end of my question and answer session. So we'll go to the viewers if they have any questions for you. We'll wait for a couple. and see if there are any questions.
I
Viewers,
would
if you
love
have
to.
any questions for Tanya from Punjab, Jharkhand, she is here and there. If you want any questions, please do ask her. We'll wait for a couple of minutes if there are any questions for you.
Okay, okay. Comfortable. I'm loving this session.
So viewers, if you have any questions for oh my God, sorry, for Tanya, please, please send in your comment section. I just told her name because she just joined.
Okay.
Okay. Any questions or no questions? Yeah, one question is containment is a restricted area. Are you able to photograph butterflies? How are you documenting them?
It is a restricted area, definitely, but there is no restriction on documenting butterflies, photographing butterflies. That is a different thing from the. You must be talking about the safety of this place. But butterflies, documenting butterflies is something different. I have also talked about this with my husband, and he is very comfortable with it. And he told me that it is not a problem for me to document butterflies or document wildlife and tell people that this is a well protected forested area, and areas like this should be developed. So this is not a problem, not at all.
Okay. One more person has asked, do you convert your interest into profession?
Okay. Converting interest into profession, as I told you, I'm a novice. I'll definitely, I would love to do that. I want to do that, and I'm pursuing it just because of this particular thing. I would love to do that. I'm looking for it and see what happens.
Don't worry, there are literally lot of people who can help you out with. So we'll all
They
help you out
are
with the
actually
needed.
butterfliers out there. They are very helpful. Very helpful. They are ready to
Uh,
answer my stupid questions.
no question is stupid question. We are all learners. We are all beginners at our earlier stages. So you didn't feel anything stupid about any questions, asking any question. Any question? So Taslima, she's asking, meet me after lockdown and we will do butterflying together.
Oh, great! I would love to do that.
She's
Hearing
asking
it
you to help
someone
with
from
Java
someone
Camp.
like you.
Okay. Uh, any more questions, guys, before we end? I guess there are no questions. If you have any questions regarding Punjab or Jharkhand, or if you want to get to know about her, please feel free to text her in Facebook. She'll be happy to answer. And before we end this session, thank you so much, Tanya, for accepting my request and being part of this women-only event which I conducted this week. Thank you so
That,
much.
that's why that. Thank you so much for having me here. It's a really great session for me, and someone like you interviewing me is like the best thing that can happen to me at this point of time. Thank you so much.
I'm not that great person. I'm just no like
You're
you.
better than me. You know that. Thank you so much.
Okay.
Actually, it means a lot to me.
We'll take a few more questions or two more questions. So Bias is asking, come to Baksa Tiger Reserve once you love it, and one more thing. Yeah, I guess that's it. So people are calling you to their places to join you for butterflying. So please visit everyone
Wonderful.
after this lockdown and start doing
I
butterflying.
would love that. It was a great
Thanks so
session,
much.
Saran.
Yeah, thank you so much,
Thank
Tanya.
you.
Thanks
Thank you
again.
so much. Thank you. Thanks a lot.